Welcome to the 7 most famous laws in the world. Ever wondered about the principles that shape our daily lives and decision-making? Let's explore them. In this video, we'll dive into 7 well-known laws that offer insights into human behavior, problem-solving, and efficiency. From unexpected outcomes to efficient work habits, these laws provide a fascinating framework for understanding the world around us. Let's start with a general overview. First up, Murphy's Law. This one is probably the most commonly quoted. It states, the more you fear something happening, the more likely it is to occur. Think about that next time you're worried. Next, we have Kydland's Law, a great one for tackling challenges. It suggests, if you write a problem down clearly and specifically, you have solved half of it. Clarity is key. Moving on to Gilbert's Law, which speaks to accountability and initiative. This law states, when you take on a task, finding the best ways to achieve the desired result is always your responsibility. Own your outcomes. Then there's Wilson's Law, offering a perspective on success and value. It posits, if you prioritize knowledge and intelligence, the money will continue to come. Invest in yourself. Falkland's Law is all about smart decision-making, or avoiding it when unnecessary. The law says, if you don't have to make a decision about something, then don't decide. Sometimes, inaction is the best action. Now, Parkinson's Law, a fascinating insight into productivity and deadlines. It implies, if more time is given to complete a task, it will likely consume that entire time, often resulting in less efficiency. Beware of slack time. Finally, the widely known Pareto principle, or the 80-20th rule. This principle suggests, in many situations, 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. Identify your vital few. These 7 laws offer powerful lenses through which to view human behavior, productivity, and success. By understanding and applying them, you can gain a deeper understanding of your world and make more informed decisions. Thanks for watching.